Fescama, Kinalhashu. Mi Girach Cluiche is PlayStation agam. So mir son eichgin the nuding ga Girach. Gemma Cluiche a PlayStation, agus streaming van PlayStation. Gun me vi har an PC a clapbuch. Mi had mór an opera ianú ag a físi, mar sin han le húbasach in relaxing if he a chile gown. Oh, Fescama, Munchkin Claire, Lan Falcha, Rod, Lurk ianú. So yeah, here me can fiaching rutigan. Agus your son a Gaelic Cluiche, Banishers Ghosts of New Eden, sound le Don't Nod Ruich, Life is Strange, and Jenny Gaelic in a Charlo. Agus cod Gemma ile mar vampire agus Juson. Agus cholas ha rutigan alapa noch am mi in Gemma seo, schíisih per féilich ar an jaar seo. Agus gram mi ein taishin is mar sin del mi gymbiga imichi ar son. Well, Mias na sauna an David. So I mean dochas go bhfuil sibh gam a chléin sin go fóla seach. Gnélas Jake fatsa Cluicheamaid an tíadach ar son. Eichgin mar a an gam a callach, really. Agus eichgin Jake ar an feasible sa an gaig I anu streaming von PlayStation. So seo telemetry. And yet, can you on a hounded telemetry? Okay. Make a extra on the headphones. I come night mode. Oh, I shouldn't eat enough. Had a parallax. Space audio. Hacking Frankish. Geramalchish. Clichishin Savierla. And yell Mogeramalchish. Nyama Marangish. Comashan. Girishin air and the subtitles. Is Nishin Moriat. Display speaker name colorization. Subtitles background. High contrast background. Girishin Shaw is in name I héineatach that you could be a female Raifsha. Okay, maha. Shoshin. I can read like my Shaun video in Cluicheamaid slash nach camera autumn. I can't think of if you need a t-shirt. Story, easy, normal, hard, very hard. Mi smenshin gan jachin son furista. Nun romi a Cluiche lam hain gerchik an kurin id kodamach ach goharish nud hami streamig hami faragim markavela na shad can be sin a glúas at ag teo astar ag teo chlip cash maha I bharach gur seo ha mi bhí Cluiche silk song for mi críochid ach istí mi in ist gus an Jack in a seo ich
Madam, sir, The ship lies at anchor off New Eden. A tender stands at your disposal.
I dreamed of clouds. Great long fluffy bastards. Low over the sea.
I dreamed of the abyss, in the darkest reaches of the deepest ocean.
A good day to you, my love.
And a good day to you too.
Are we in New England?
Welcome to America.
America.
Something's bothering you.
Charles's letter.
What of it?
The ghost must be uncommonly dangerous, or he would banish it himself.
And we shall charge him double.
I'm serious. If the Reverend needs help, this can be no easy business. Red, you best be ready.
I'll be careful, Master Duarte.
Jarak.
Your apprentice stands ready to serve. Come on, Antea, we need to go. I need to pee.
Antea agus Jarak.
Rory McWraith, gallant to the last.
Ruari.
Life to the living. Death to the dead.
Consider our lovers, Antea and Red, the greatest banishers I ever knew. Life to the living, we say, and death to the dead. It is not so simple. Since the dawn of humanity, the dead have lingered. Dead as alive, we are complex and emotional beings. Many and tangled are the ties that bind. Since the beginning of memory, banishers have fought to sever those ties. Death is but a trifle. It comes to us all. To haunt or be haunted. There lies the true horror. I, Charles Davenport, should know it. The haunting of New Eden scared me to death. I dearly wish I had not begged my friends to come and lift the curse.
Karshmaha. Shakula Janokius. Shiakia Jiak Kairfikits a
If this is June, I'd hate to see January. I'd want to freeze my backside off in the summertime. I'd have stayed in Scotland.
London wasn't much better.
Look at it. As cold as a bishop's arse. And twice as white. I don't mind saying it, I'm very disappointed.
Charles wasn't lying. New Eden is cold as death. You may well be disappointed.
You'd better be at the tavern. With a hot grog. Or two.
Oh, Virgin Cluicheamaid Antea. Ghàidhlig. Okay.
I think Guy weary of long, boring sea voyages to grim, faraway lands.
I can't remember the last time we did something else than work.
After this, we should set sail somewhere warm and safe. The dead don't linger.
Camera sensitivity, really.
No such place. But it's not a bad idea.
Good, you can find me Cluiche this. Cluiche. Even go gyda machgratha slannig ruari achat the canteen McWraith. Get it? Wraith, my haish. Yeah, hashin got high.
Have I mentioned how grim this place is?
I heard you the first time, but I don't disagree.
Three and a game you can don't nod hammer. Tugan, your Roinian ac of the Yanu. I have like moral the ethical decisions mark about. So Kishin will Gemisha and Urut.
I think we can get through here.
Sure. Let's go traipsing through the rotten, falling down house.
Looks steady enough.
Watch out!
Horanada.
Ugh. Is it just me or are we not welcome here?
Keep going. I'll find a way to meet up with you. Over-eager apprentices.
I haven't told you got an sensitivity root back. Jamie. Shouldn't have shot.
I can break my way through here. You do not belong here.
Sparta.
Everything all right down there?
Just a sneaky wanderer. You?
Same, but I managed. Are these spectres watching the road?
Maybe. But are they keeping people outside town? Or are they keeping them in?